Today, we are going to show you how to change indicator and marker light bulbs. Required tools are Phillips screwdriver, bulb with twin filament, bulb with single filament, and contact spray. Remove 4 screws using a Phillips screwdriver. Remove light cover. Press and rotate to remove the light bulb from the socket. Spray the bulb contacts inside the light. Spray the connections behind the light. Install new light bulbs. Don't forget to use gloves. Reinstall the light cover. Secure the screws back into place. Test the lights before driving.